Okay, this video assumes that you already know how to create users, groups, and sharing because you said you already have these. So in this example, I created this folder and I call it example 1. In your case, just go to your folders and then just click on sharing and security. And you said you already have shares. But this is what I do when I want to deny people access to these folders and shares. You click on permissions and it says everyone and remove, and I'm going to add a group called example 1, and I'm going to give this group access. Then I have another group which I've called example 2, and I'm going to deny this group access. Now when you say this, you're going to get this warning telling you how precedence works. And precedence mainly means that if you have a user, say his name is Bob, and he's a member of both groups, because you're denying example 2 permissions, you're denying them access, even though he's in both groups, he will be denied. So you have to be careful when you're assigning users to groups, and then you start getting to denied, that you are careful about how you go about doing that. So then just go ahead and say yes. Then you want to go to security. And you can do somewhat of a similar thing. And just click on advanced. And you see this is a whole bunch of inherited permissions. You just want to remove them. Just remove inherited permissions, and you want to click on add. And again, we're going to add the group example 1. And we want to give this group access. And this is important to do, to click on apply. And what this means is that any subfolders under example 1 over here, and any files will be given the permissions, and the previous permissions will be overwritten. And then we want to add another group. I'm going to add a group called example 2, and in this case we want to deny anyone who's a member of that group access. And also you want to click on apply, and you say OK and OK, and again you'll get this warning talking about precedence. What does precedence mean? And you want to go ahead and say yes. And then you want to go ahead and click on, you see there's allow and there's deny, and say OK. And so now this will mean that anyone who's a member of group example 1, then and here I have the two groups. Anyone who's a member of this group, they will have access, and anyone who's a member of this group will not have access. So hopefully that'll help you. If not, just let us know. Thank you.